Animal Kingdom. Section 1. The animal kingdom is classified into the following 9 categories: domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, suborder, animal families, genus, and species. For instance, humans are Homo sapiens, and wolves are Canis lupus. All living organisms belong to one of 6 different animal kingdoms. 1. Animal. Multi-celled organisms, including living and extinct animals, elephants, whales, and humans. 2. Plants. Complex organisms that produce their own food by photosynthesis, trees, flowers, and grass. 3. Fungi. Multi-celled organisms that do not produce their own food, mold, mushrooms, and yeast. 4. Protista. Single-celled organisms with more complexity, algae and amoebas. 5. Eubacteria, single-celled organisms found in yogurt and intestines. And 6. Archaebacteria, oldest known living single-celled organisms in scorching areas like thermal vents and hot springs. Section 2. The animal kingdom includes bugs, birds, fish, and countless other creatures. It is divided into 2 groups: vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates are animals with backbones, while invertebrates include all animals without backbones. Vertebrates are divided into the following categories: amphibians, reptiles, birds, fish, and mammals. 3. Amphibian means 2 lives. So these animals live on land and water. They have gills to breathe underwater, but they also have lungs to breathe on land. Amphibians lay eggs. They are also cold-blooded, so they don't automatically regulate their body temperature. Instead, they rely on outside sources to keep warm. Amphibians have moist skin. The Chinese giant salamander is the largest amphibian. The most popular amphibians are frogs and salamanders. 4. Reptiles are creeping or crawling animals. They are similar to amphibians because they are cold-blooded and lay eggs. Reptiles lay their eggs on land. They have dry, scaly bodies, and some have an outer shell. Tortoises, alligators, crocodiles, lizards, and snakes are common reptiles. Section 5. Birds are the only animals in the animal kingdom that have feathers. They also have wings. However, not all birds can fly. For example, the ostrich, emu, cassowary, rhea, kiwi, and penguin cannot fly. Their flightless wings are called flippers. Like amphibians and reptiles, birds lay eggs. However, they are warm-blooded, meaning they maintain a constant temperature. Birds are subdivided into the following categories: birds of prey, flightless birds, songbirds, water birds, and other birds. 6. Fish are covered in scales and live underwater in fresh and salt water. They have gills to breathe underwater and fins to help them maneuver. In addition, they often have a layer of slime that helps them move easily in water. These cold-blooded creatures have been on Earth for over 450 million years. There are more than 30,000 species divided into the following categories: jawless fishes, cartilaginous fishes, and bony fishes. Some fish, like sharks, have cartilage instead of bones. 7. Mammals are vertebrates, the same classification as human beings. A mammal produces milk and nurses its young. It also gives birth to a live animal. Mammals are warm-blooded and they need air to breathe. They live on land and have 4 legs. In addition, they have lungs so they can breathe air, and they have hair or fur. Common examples include dogs, whales, elephants, and horses. Mammals are the most intelligent and highly developed animals in the kingdom. 8. About 97% of all living animal species are invertebrates. Earthworms, starfish, squids, jellyfish, clams, lobsters, crabs, and snails are examples of invertebrates. There are 1.25 million species of invertebrates, most of which are insects. Invertebrates live on land: insects, spiders, worms, or in water. The invertebrates that live in water fit into 3 categories. 1. Mollusks, like squids and clams. 2. Crustaceans, like crabs and lobsters. And 3. Coral. 9. Invertebrates, the most diverse group within the animal kingdom, are classified into over 30 phyla. Classification between class and kingdom. Vertebrates, however, belong to one phylum, the Chordata.